What is Tally? Tally is a versatile accounting software extensively used by businesses and organizations to manage financial activities, inventory, payroll, and other essential operations. It is known for its simplicity, user-friendly interface, and comprehensive features, making it a favored choice, particularly among small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Developed in 1986 by Tally Solutions PV. Tally has undergone significant evolution. The current version, Tally Prime, offers advanced functionalities designed to handle complex accounting and financial tasks more efficiently. Key features of Tally. Accounting and financial management enables users to record, analyze, and manage all types of financial transactions, including sales, purchases, receipts, payments, and general ledger management. Inventory management provides tools to maintain and control inventory, manage stock levels, and ensure effective stock utilization. Taxation and compliance simplifies the management of taxes such as GST, VAT, TDS, and TCS and helps generate tax reports and file returns. Payroll management manages employee records, salary processing, attendance, and statutory compliance. Multi-currency and multi-language support handles transactions in multiple currencies and offers language support to meet diverse business needs. Importance of Tally. Tally holds significant importance, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses, accountants, and financial professionals. Here's why. Simplifies complex accounting tasks. Tally makes complex accounting functions manageable, allowing businesses to handle their finances without requiring extensive expertise in accounting. Time and cost efficiency. Automates routine tasks such as bookkeeping, tax calculations, and report generation, saving time and reducing the need for large accounting teams. Accuracy and error reduction minimizes human errors in calculations and data entry, ensuring high accuracy in financial records and compliance reports. Regulatory compliance helps businesses stay compliant with local tax laws and regulations by offering built-in features for GST, TDS, VAT, and other taxes. Scalability. Adaptable to the needs of both small startups and large corporations, Tally can handle vast amounts of data and grow alongside the business. Data security provides secure financial data storage through features like encryption, user-level permissions, and regular backups to protect sensitive information. Application of Tally in real-world accounting. Tally is widely used across various industries for several practical applications, such as financial accounting and bookkeeping, used by businesses to maintain books of accounts, record daily transactions, generate invoices, and prepare financial statements like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Inventory and stock management helps manage inventory by tracking stock levels, monitoring stock movement, and generating stock valuation reports. It is particularly useful for retail businesses, manufacturers, and wholesalers. Tax management and compliance automates tax calculations, generates tax invoices, and facilitates filing returns, especially for managing GST, VAT, TDS, and other statutory compliances. Payroll management handles payroll processing, including salary calculations, deductions, statutory compliance like PF, ESI, and generating payslips, aiding businesses in managing employee payments and complying with labor laws. Banking and reconciliation integrates with banks to automate transactions, simplifying bank reconciliations and helping detect discrepancies between bank statements and company records. Financial planning and analysis offers built-in analytical tools to analyze financial data, identify trends, prepare budgets, and make informed decisions to improve financial health. Multi-location and multi-currency management supports businesses operating in multiple locations by consolidating financial data from various branches and managing transactions in multiple currencies, making it ideal for international dealings. Conclusion. Tally is a comprehensive and versatile tool that simplifies financial management and streamlines various business operations. Its features and applications make it indispensable for businesses aiming for efficient and accurate accounting, inventory control, compliance, payroll management, and more. ensuring smooth day-to-day operations and supporting long-term growth.